The stock market will fall further. I'm going to give you the time frame of the stock market crash. Inflation is simply not slowing down. The Federal Reserve, they're trying to slow it down by getting more aggressive. So they increased interest rates by 0.75% on Wednesday. So 0.5%, that is big. 0.75%, that is huge. So that's how bad the situation is. Jerome Powell, chairman of the Federal Reserve, he said on Wednesday that it's going to be difficult to achieve a soft landing. The Federal Reserve said that they're going to raise interest rates faster to fight inflation. They're going to raise interest rates 2 more times in the third quarter and 2 more times in the fourth quarter. Jerome Powell said that they're going to raise interest rates another 0.5% or 0.75% in July. So they're supposed to raise interest rates 2 more times in the first quarter of 2023. So here's what I foresee. And again, I am not fortune telling. I'm just putting the pieces of this puzzle together. So there's going to be a slow grind down of the stock market. There's going to be small rallies here and there. So those rallies, they can last for a few days. They can last for a few weeks, 2 weeks, 4 weeks. But the overall direction, it's going to be down, and we have not hit the bottom. And one of these days, you're going to see this. There's going to be panic selling. There's going to be a horrifying one-day plunge. But that's when you should be a buyer. So whether that crash is going to occur in Q3 or Q4, that is unpredictable. And I am reminding you, so this is like the most important part. In 2023, the Federal Reserve, they're going to stop quantitative tightening out of necessity. The math, it doesn't work out. The Federal Reserve, they're acting all tough and aggressive, and they're supposed to keep tightening in 2023. But I am calling BS. I'm saying that they're going to chicken out and they're going to stop tightening. So wait for the crash, buy stocks before they stop tightening, because when they stop, you're going to see more inflation and you're going to see the stock market go up.